If you're looking for a running app to kickstart your 2022, you've come to the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to be going over 10 of the best running apps that you can download to help you crush your running goals in the new year. And I'll be working on a detailed review and tutorial for each of these apps, so when those are available, you can check them out in the playlist right over here. Anyways, let's get started. Strava. The Strava app allows you to track your workouts, see your metrics, and pair it with various wearable devices. The app has a really big social network where users can see, like, and comment on each other's activities. Strava is also really big on privacy features. One feature that's really helpful is the ability to hide your starting and end points. So if you're running from or to your home, you can make it so those endpoints don't appear on your activity posts. Another cool safety feature is Beacon, which allows you to share your location with others. If you want to find roads and trails nearby, there's a feature called Segments. There, you can find the path and compare your performance to that of other users. Challenges are available to keep you motivated, and you can also find a nearby running group to join. If you go for the premium version of Strava, which costs $59.99 a year, you can have more route planning and discovery options, personalized challenges, training logs, and more. MapMyRun. With MapMyRun, you can track your running activities and see your metrics, and it also pairs with a wide range of apps and devices. Since MapMyRun is owned by Under Armour, there are running shoes that are compatible with the app that allow you to receive more guidance. And if you want to see my experience with those shoes, you can check out this video in the top right corner. There is a social network where you can engage with people's activities across the world. There are a few challenges that are available, as well as the ability to set goals to help you become consistent with running. So if planning your workouts is something you want to do, MapMyRun can help. There is a premium version of the app called MapMyRun MVP, which costs $5.99 a month or $20.99 a year. And it features training plans, so if you have a distance goal, this premium tool will help you plan out your runs. You'll also get audio coaching and the ability to live track so people know where you are. Nike Run Club. As with the other running apps, Nike Run Club allows you to track your runs and see your performance. The only wearable device that's compatible with Nike Run Club is the Apple Watch, so unfortunately Fitbits and Garmins don't run the app natively. But it is possible to sync your running data to other apps. What makes the Nike Run Club app unique is its many guided runs. There are runs designed for beginners, where a coach will help you with your pacing, as well as runs designed to improve your distance, speed, and endurance. So no matter what you're looking for as a runner, there should be something that can benefit you here. A new feature that they've been slowly rolling out to users are training plans for beginners and half marathoners. It's a great app that's completely free. C25K. The C25K, or Couch to 5K app, is designed for beginners who want to learn how to run. It's really simple and easy to use. As soon as you open the app, you'll see the screen, which at the bottom displays the week and day of your workout. And at the top, you'll see what you need to do. The program is 8 weeks long, with 3 workout sessions a week, ranging from 30 to 40 minutes. It's a very doable plan for new runners to follow. However, it does feature quite a bit of ads. Also, the app only displays time, so you're walking for a certain duration and running for a certain duration. If you want to see more traditional running app metrics, such as distance and calories, you'll need to go for the premium plan, which is $9.99 a month or $59.99 a year. But it also comes with fitness plans, app-specific music playlists, and more. Runkeeper. Runkeeper allows you to track your activities and see your metrics, as well as pair with different wearable devices. Similar to Nike Run Club, there are also guided workouts that you can run along to. However, the library isn't as diverse and features a lot of mindset-based runs, as well as just a 5K and 10K program. If you have friends on the app, you can connect with them and see their activities, and there are also challenges you can participate in. The premium version of this app, Runkeeper Go, which costs $39.99 a year or $9.99 a month, offers training plans for various distances, all the way from 5Ks to half marathons, as well as deeper insights and workout comparisons. Alright, so we're halfway through this list, so if you're liking what you're seeing, be sure to like and subscribe. Anyways, let's get back to the list. Adidas Running. Like with many of the apps mentioned before, the Adidas Running app allows you to track your runs and see your metrics. Like Nike Run Club, the only wearable that uses the app is the Apple Watch, but there are different wearable apps that this app can sync to. In the Adidas Running app workout screen, you'll have control over the displayed values and their positions on the screen. You also have control over the voice coach, which keeps you updated on your progress during the run. In addition to listening to music, you have the option to do what they call story running, which are essentially runs where you're guided to achieve a distance or speed goal, or just improve your mindfulness. Adidas also has a live tracking feature, so your followers can see your current location in real time. There are challenges and virtual runs you can participate in. The premium version of Adidas Running offers training plans and advanced statistics. You also have access to a power song if you want an extra boost during a workout. Zombies Run. An unconventional running app that's a little more fun and incorporates some fantasy elements is Zombies Run. Here, it's sort of like a real-world game you're playing. While you're running, you're listening to a story that unfolds as you make progress on your run. To make it seem like you're not really working out, they call these runs missions. And the app has you alternating between easy and fast paces. An example of this in action is that you can be prompted to run faster if the story indicates that you've come across a horde of zombies. Throughout your progress on the run and the story, you accumulate supplies and tools to help you on your quest. And if you want to see your running data, you can check that out in your run logs and stats. There are also training plans available if you want to achieve a running goal, such as a 5K up to a marathon. The next 3 apps I'm going to mention are wearable specific, meaning that they're usually used in conjunction with a wearable device. Garmin Connect. If you have a Garmin GPS watch, then the Garmin Connect app is where your Garmin-based runs will live. In addition to a wide range of daily metrics, your running specific data will show up with all sorts of rich data points for you to analyze. There's also a social section where you can see what other Garmin users are up to and engage with their workouts by liking and commenting on their newsfeed updates. There too are live tracking features and much more robust training insights since you're wearing a wearable device. Fitbit. If you own a Fitbit, you can start a run that uploads its data natively to the Fitbit app. However, you'll also have the ability to use your phone as a GPS tracker in case you don't own a Fitbit. The only downside to that is that you won't have very detailed metrics. So whether or not you're using your phone or a Fitbit, you'll still be able to see your post-run metrics. And all of your running workouts contribute to your daily activity performance, such as steps, calories, exercises completed, and distance traveled. If you have other friends who are on Fitbit, there are also social options you can use to see their activity. There is Fitbit Premium, which usually costs $9.99 a month, and gives you access to more premium data insights and access to workouts, which is supposed to include running as well. Apple Fitness. For Apple Watch users, you have the option of performing a run using the native Apple Workouts app, and you can transfer that data to Apple Fitness, where you'll be able to see all your running metrics. There, you'll see how this contributes to your daily activity in the form of activity rings, steps, and distance traveled. You can see the activity rings of other Apple Watch users and how you stack up on the daily leaderboard based on your move goals. You can also challenge your friends to see who can accumulate the most move points in a week. Other running apps. Not listed as one of these top 10 apps, but worth noting, are Samsung Health, Amazon Halo, Whoop, and more. I haven't had the experience of using these apps since I don't own the wearables that are designed for them, but I imagine they operate similarly to the Garmin, Fitbit, and Apple apps. Also, there are on-demand workout services like Peloton and Apple Fitness Plus, which offer outdoor guided running. Apple Fitness Plus just recently. But these services do come at a monthly subscription cost. So those are 10 of the best running apps that can help you run more in the new year. Let me know in the comments below which one interests you the most. And if you're not really interested in running, but still want to move more in 2022, I have a top 10 best fitness workout app video you can check out right over here. Anyways, be sure to like and subscribe for more fitness app content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.